We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing in Hackberry Ridge, a village of Stonebridge Ranch, a master plan community that encompasses 2 golf courses and a long list of amenities. To top it all off, this home is zoned for McKinney Boyd High School. Let's take a look inside 620 Hackberry Ridge. So many great features inside this home, many of them right here in this beautiful kitchen. The property is over 3,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a dedicated study, and a game room. But the greatest bonus is the oversized lot and the outdoor pool and spa. Stonebridge Ranch has been the long-standing benchmark of community living in McKinney, Texas. We hope that you'll take time to schedule your private tour of this beautiful home and contact the Birdsong Group if you have any questions.